Hey, what's up, guys? We're back doing cooking videos again. Sorry it's been a while, but we're doing it again. So tonight we're gonna make a chicken penne pasta. It's pretty simple recipe, nice and healthy. I like to go with the protein pasta. Trying to eat a little bit healthier around here, so a lot of our upcoming videos will be healthier meals. And then we got the low sodium chicken broth, some half and half, Italian seasoning, garlic, no salt tomato sauce. We got some cherry tomatoes, some chicken, and some spinach is in the fridge. I forgot to get that out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up like 3 chicken breasts into like bite-sized pieces. And then we'll mix them in the bowl with some flour, salt, and pepper. So I'm going to get the chicken cut up, and then we'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys. Cheers. People who's watched my cooking videos before know that my beer is my favorite ingredient. So we got our chicken cubed up, just like bite-sized chunks or so. And now we're going to, I also have water boiling for the pasta right now, getting that ready.
Can I show them?
Yeah, it's over there boiling.
I don't know.
Don't drop my phone in the water. So now we're going to add about a tablespoon of flour to our chicken, our cubed up chicken titties. Mix that around. Get all nice and coated. Just like that. Maybe just a little
Wait, can I put it in?
No, I'm going to put this in. Maybe just a little bit more flour in there. Okay, you need to pay attention to filming, not just eating. Goofball. Okay, now you gonna put some salt in. We'll put in a little bit of salt. Mix that all in, a little bit more. Okay. Mix in a little bit of salt there. We'll add some pepper in here. Okay. Some more pepper. Get that all mixed up nice and evenly, and then we'll add a little bit of Italian seasoning in there. Just like that. Whew. Get that all mixed in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the pasta cooking once that water's boiling, and we're going to cook this chicken. We just cook it, until it's not pink in the middle like you normally would for chicken. 165 internal for you people that measure. I usually just cut the thickest piece I have open and make sure it's not pink in the middle. So I'm going to get the pan warmed up, and we're going to move over the stove. So we'll be back with you guys in just a minute.
Go.
All right, guys. So we're over here at the stove now. We moved positions from over there. So what we're going to do is we got 2 tablespoons of butter here. Then we're going to melt down in this pan. Just like that.
It's sliding away.
So melt down these 2 tablespoons of butter, and we'll cook up our chicken. Our water's almost boiling, so it's going to be about time to throw our pasta in soon. Look at that. Also, I recommend using unsalted butter for cooking when you're melting it down like this whenever you're cooking, because it doesn't burn like salted butter does. Salted butter will kind of turn brown and start burning.
I remember a funny video
With my
that I watched at Maria's house.
All right, let's dump this chicken in here with our
Chicken.
weird spatula tong things that are clean. All my spatulas seem to be dirty.
Mm.
All right. There we go. We're going to get this chicken cooked up, and then we will be back with you guys whenever it's cooked. All right, guys. So our chicken's done. It's nice and all browned up and not pink on the inside. Our water's still working on getting boiling over there. So we're going to take this chicken out, put it in this bowl, and we're just going to set it aside. And then we'll be back with you guys in a minute, and I will show you guys how we're going to make the sauce. All right, guys, we got our chicken cooked, our pasta's cooked. Now we're going to make our sauce. So we're going to start by melting 2 more tablespoons of butter.
Can I put it around?
Hmm?
What?
Yeah.
That's it.
So we got to melt 2 more tablespoons of butter here. And while we're doing that, I'm going to press. Oh, no. I'm going to press in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cloves of garlic. And we're going to saute this garlic in the butter for a couple of minutes until it's nice and fragrant. Usually 1 or 2 minutes or so is good. If you guys don't have a garlic press, definitely get one. These things are amazing.
Garlic press.
Get all that in there. All that yummy goodness.
Stir it around.
We're definitely a garlic family around here.
Around.
There you go. Now, see? So we'll saute this for a couple of minutes until it starts to smell nice and strong.
Daddy, can I grab a seasoning?
We don't need seasoning yet, baby.
No, like so I can rest my arm.
Oh, yeah. That's our seasoning we're going to be using. In this next step, get this garlic all nice.
This is low.
So now the garlic's starting to turn brown, smell nice and strong. Stick into my spatula. All right. Now that's nice and fragrant and sauteed, we will add in a tub of cherry tomatoes.
Let me try one.
Yep, you can take one. Along with some more Italian seasoning. There we go.
It tastes sweet.
Measure by heart.
Don't these help your skin?
Well, I think so. Now, the cherry tomatoes, what we're going to do is we're just going to cook them until they start to get nice and soft. So not probably 2 or 3 minutes or so. So I am going to go ahead and cook these up until they're nice and soft, and we'll be back with you guys in a minute. All right, guys, our tomatoes are getting nice and soft here, blistering a little bit. So now we are going to add, Bubba, you want to pour in half a cup? There's half.
The whole thing?
Yep. Half a cup of chicken stock.
Wait, hold on. Is that it today?
Yep. Yeah, pour it in.
The whole thing?
Yep. The whole thing. And then we're going to do a cup and a half of half and half. And then we will do half a cup of our tomato sauce.
Wait, so you just pour in that whole thing?
No.
Oh, wow, that's tiny.
just about half of it.
Right?
And now we stir this around.
That's right.
This is going to be our base sauce here. And
So
what we're going to do is
yummy.
bring it up to a simmer.
I kind of need a bigger seasoning than this.
Okay, now you just kind of let that heat up. We'll bring it up to a simmer. Should go pretty quick. Keep stirring that in, mixing her up there. There we go.
Do you hydrate that? Yes. Why you guys shut it down?
Okay. Get it all nice and mixed up. Ooh, careful, baby.
Don't make fun of me.
All right, we're starting to get up to a simmer here. There we go.
Wait, Dada.
Yeah, baby.
Can I tell them a joke? Yeah, I'm a lady.
Sure.
You don't.
Okay.
I'm trying to think of a good one.
Now that we're kind of up to a simmer, well, you took too long. Now it's time to keep cooking. All right.
Can I tell them?
Yeah, tell them a joke.
Okay. Why do
Pay attention to where the camera's pointing. Though.
Why do cheetahs never play hide and seek?
Why?
Because they always get spotted.
Good one. All right, now that we're simmering, we're going to add in some shredded Parmesan cheese
I don't know that's a lot.
and melt it
Get
down.
over the house. You told me that 1 billion times.
Okay, quit, you two.
Can I put some in? I meet you.
No, because you guys' I don't know if your guys' hands are clean. Or you know what? We'll just do the whole pack. Fuck it, right?
Is that
All right. Now we melt this down here. Ooh, yeah, that's looking good.
That was so good.
All right, now for one of my favorite parts of this pasta, we're gonna add in some handfuls of baby spinach.
Did we do that?
Yep, throw some in.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna do some too.
Now,
Kaboom. Oop. Not too much.
nope.
Then you mom mix it around. Mix it around, Mom.
That's gonna stir it around because I don't want it spilling all over the place. You guys stir a little bit too aggressively. Okay, now we put this baby spinach in here. Just do however much you want, a couple handfuls or whatever. I really like the spinach, so I usually add quite a bit. You stir this around and wait for this spinach here to wilt.
Why did we I always say this, but it looks like a jumper.
I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit.
Daddy, you gotta get used to the microphone too.
I only got 2 microphones.
Why?
So that's all the set came with.
And Dad has to have one, and I gotta have one because I speak.
Okay. Hang on. No, I think that's enough spinach.
Wait. Maybe roll it in.
Okay, now.
That's a lot of spinach.
Yeah, but it wilts down, so there's not a ton. It gets pretty small.
That already looks so good, and I'm so hungry.
We haven't even added the chicken or the pasta to it yet.
That will look even better. Yeah.
Just gotta keep mixing. Pay attention to where the camera's pointing, baby.
Eat it up again.
Don't be all shaky. It'll make people sick.
You know, do that. Are we gonna go to the zoo?
I don't know.
I don't know why I asked such a random question. But I think you like the potato.
Trying to wilt this spinach down right now. That's what I'm worried about.
We went a year ago.
Okay, don't put your hands in there. Okay, we're just gonna wait for that spinach to wilt. Clean up our mess a little bit here. And take a drink of beer. Cheers.
That's important. Gong, gong, gong.
There we go. That's wilting pretty nicely. So now the spinach is kind of wilted down. See, it's not that much spinach once it kind of wilts down a little bit. Now, next step is we're going to add our chicken back in.
It's done! Can I have one more, please?
Yeah.
I got a big piece.
Now we have the chicken back in. Just like that. Stir it up. I think maybe next time we'll do more cherry tomatoes, though.
No.
I feel like that's not enough. Well, that's one of my favorite parts of this meal.
I need one for me.
Okay. Now that's stirred up. We add our cooked pasta back in.
I didn't get that.
Maybe. Our pasta's a little stuck here. Oh, no. So pro tip, if you don't want that to happen, where it all clumps together like that, you can actually add a little bit of olive oil into the water while you're boiling it, and it'll keep them from sticking together like that. But I forgot this time, obviously.
Hey, I like to play.
Now we just mix this all together.
Never buy chicken from the store. I always have it homemade. Why? Because homemade's way better than store bought.
True. And that goes for pretty much everything, honestly.
Yeah. Like that?
Might have needed a bigger pan for this meal.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to mix up in here, but we're getting her done.
I wish I can just eat it right now. I take the whole pan, gulp it, gulp, and spit out the pan.
That's mixed pretty good. So there you have it, chicken penne pasta. I bought low sodium everything, basically. Some protein pasta. You can obviously use regular pasta, regular sodium stuff. That's kind of up to you.
This wasn't the one that we did last time. Last time we did the long ones, but this time we did the tubes. But it basically tastes the same.
All right, we're going to get this plated up and we'll be back with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, we're here for the taste test now. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of everything on there. Amazing. All right, let's see if we got kid approval.
Chicken noodles.
Woo. What do you think? Oh, is it a little hot? You okay? What do you think, Bubba? Good?
The tomatoes aren't good, but the rest is good.
You don't like the tomatoes? All right. Well, there you have it. Oh, I got some glitter on my face. Kid approved. Delicious. Pretty simple meal to make. Just takes a little bit of time. So give it a try. Drop in the comments if you try it out. Let me know how you like it. And subscribe if you like this video. And we'll see you guys next time.